In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete tabs and tab groups on Safari. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Safari and then tap right here at that button. Then, as you can see down below here, I got a private mode here and two different tab groups. If you would like to delete tab group, you need to head over to that group, tap right here, long press on a tab group and tap at delete. That's how you can delete a tab group. However, if you want to close or delete a tab, you can just swipe to the left on a tab you would like to close, and that will close it. Also, if you would like to close multiple tabs at once, you can easily do so. Just long press at that button and then select close all tabs. As you can see, all the tabs except pinned ones has been successfully closed. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.